front of me is CUBOT KingKong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Then select Notifications and tap on See All from last 7 days. Finally, it's time to use blue sweaters next to chosen apps to block all notifications from them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweaters. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!